In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to properly tag people in your posts on LinkedIn. Understanding how to effectively tag individuals can greatly enhance the engagement and professionalism of your presence on the platform, so let's ensure you get it right. First things first, let's head over to LinkedIn. Open up your preferred web browser and go to linkedin.com. If you're not already logged in, you'll arrive at the login page. Here you have two main options to access your account. You can either sign in using your Google account or by typing in your email address along with your password. For those who've opted for added security through two-factor authentication, you may need to quickly grab your phone. You'll likely receive a verification code which you will need to enter to successfully confirm your login. Once you're logged in, you'll be directed straight to your LinkedIn profile homepage, a familiar starting point for all. With your homepage in view, decide whether you'd like to tag someone in a new post or perhaps in a comment under an existing post. Both these options are conveniently available right on your homepage. Now, as you begin drafting your post or comment, you're ready to dive into the tagging process. To get started, type the @ symbol. This key step activates LinkedIn's tagging feature, allowing you to seamlessly incorporate links to your connections profiles. Following the @ symbol, start typing the name of the person you wish to tag. Thanks to LinkedIn's helpful type ahead feature, their system will offer suggestions as you type, saving you time and effort. This makes it quite straightforward to pinpoint the right person you want to include. Once their name appears on the list of suggestions, simply click on it, and voila, you've tagged them in your post or comment. After tagging, go ahead and continue writing your message to complete your post. Finally, when you're satisfied with the content, click on the post button to share it with your network. It's crucial to remember a few key points about tagging on LinkedIn. Relevance is immensely important. Ensure that you only tag individuals who are pertinent to the content you're sharing. Doing so can significantly amplify the discussion and boost engagement while steering clear of spamming behaviors. In line with that, the maxim "less is more" is especially relevant when it comes to tagging. Be mindful that when you do tag someone, it truly adds value to the conversation. By keeping your tags both relevant and limited, you uphold the quality and professional standards expected on a platform like LinkedIn. So, take these tips to heart and practice them frequently to make your posts more engaging and interactive. By doing so, you'll not only enhance your presence on LinkedIn but also contribute positively to the professional community.